Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Kausar Kiran from Southern Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Students, your main subject is issue in Pakistan economy, and in the issue in Pakistan economy, we will discuss the another topic, that is manufacturing. What is manufacturing? Types of manufacturing, role of manufacturing, importance of manufacturing, what is industrial sector, what is industrial sector role, what is its objective. So first of all, we discuss what is manufacturing. The slide will be shared in your discussion room, so you can keep in mind consideration on the lecture. So the process of making goods are wears by manual labor or a machinery, especially on a large scale, is called manufacturing. For example, manufactured by television set. What is manufacturing sector? Manufacturing sector refers to a business that transforms raw material into finished or semi-finished goods using machine, tools, and labors. Manufacturing sector include production of food, chemicals, textile, machines, and equipments. Manufacturing sector is a great importance of economic development of every country. It is historical effect that countries with strong manufacturing sector have showed more economic growth and development. Manufacturing production, during production in Pakistan is expected to the 7.40% of by the end of this quarter, according to the Trading Economic Global Micro Model and Analysis expectation. Looking forward, we estimate manufacturing production in Pakistan to stand at 7.50% in 12 months' time. In the long term, the Pakistan manufacturing production is projected to trend around 8.00% in 2020, according to our economic model. Contribute to GDP means, what is the manufacturing factor contribute to GDP? Okay, Pakistan industrial sector is the largest individual sector of the economy, according to for 20.88% of the GDP. In 2017, it recorded a growth of 5.02% as compared to the growth of 5.80% last year. This sector comprised a large, medium, and small scale. Manufacturing is the most vibrant subfactor of the industrial sector, having 64.4% contribute in the industrial sector, and in GDP it accounts for 13.45%. Manufacturing subsector is further divided in three components, including large scale manufacturing LSM, with the share of 51.26% in industrial sector. Small scale manufacturing share is 8.80% in industrial sector, while contributes 4.34% in the industry. From 2010 to 11, the largest scale industry contributes 4.4% to the real GDP growth rate, while the small scale industry contributes 7.5%. Now, historically, we check the manufacturing sector. Keep in mind, we discuss the manufacturing industrial sector. At the time of independence, the total large scale industries contribute was only 1.8% to GDP. The small scale industry, however, contribute 4.6% to GDP. Pakistan, at the same time of participation in 1947, had a negligible industrial base. It got only 34 industry out of 955. Keep in mind. 955 out of 34, only 34 industries in 1947, while remaining were held by India. Such a small number of industries were not enough for a newly born country to face an industrialized world. With the passage of time, Pakistan utilized its all available resources, domestic as well as external, for paid development of manufacturing sector. Growth of manufacturing sector in Pakistan, the manufacturing performance in terms of growth productivity is examined in the following period of time. Number 1, growth of manufacturing sector from 1947 to 1950. Second phase, growth of manufacturing sector in 1950s. Third, growth of manufacturing sector in 1960s. Or number fourth is growth of manufacturing sector in 1970s. Growth of manufacturing sector, now we discuss one by one. Growth of manufacturing sector from 1947 to 50. In 1947, out of 955 industry, we will discuss already above. Pakistan in India, total industry is 955, but Pakistan got only 34 industry, that is 4% of the total industry established in the subcontinent. The rest were located in India. The industry which came to the share of Pakistan were a comparatively small size and were based on a raw material. These industries included small sugar mills, cotton ginning factories, flour mills, rice, and so many or other industries. In 1947, it was suggested in the industry conference of Pakistan to establish industries which are locally produced raw material like jute, cotton, hide, and skins. The government also set up an industrial financial corporation, industrial investment, and credit corporation in 1948. In the period of 1947 to 1950, the private enterprises invest in those industries which showed the highest profit. The contribute of manufacturing sector was 6.9% to GDP in 1950. Growth of manufacturing sector in 1950. In 1950, the government took the initiative and established Pakistan Industrial Development Corporation PIDC to invest to these industries which unique heavily initial investment. PIDC major investment was paper and paperboard, cement, fertilizer, jute mills, and the Sui Karachi gas pipeline. PIDC by June 1971 had completed 59 industry units and created a base for all self-sustained growth in the industrial sector. A large number of new industries were established. The production capacity of the already existing units like fertilizer, jute, and paper were considerably extendable. The reduction of the export duty and the production of export bonds scheme in 1958 increased exports of the manufacturing goods. The share of the industry sector to GDP rose from 9.7% in 1954 to 55 to 11.9% in 1959 to 60. Growth manufacturing sector in 1960s. In 1960, there was a shift of the establishment of consumer good industries, heavy industries such as machine, tool, petrol, chemical, electric, complex, iron and steel, The industrial performance in terms of growth, export, and productivity increased during the second five-year plan period. The share of industry sector to GNP went to up 11.8% from 1960 to 1965. The manufacturing sector could achieve a growth rate of 7.8% against the planned target of 10%. Performance manufacturing sector in 1970s, the industrial performance in terms of growth, export, and production was disappointing from 71 to 1977. There are various reasons for the poor performance of manufacturing sector. On waving of the country, East Pakistan was separate. The country had to fight a war with India in 1970. The suspension of the foreign aid laws of market East Pakistan fall in exports, unfavorable investment climate, floods, reactions in world trade, and reduction in investment in incentives caused to a fall in the output level, a large scale of industry. The annual growth rate fall 2.8% of the manufacturing sector in his period July 1977 to 80. The government initiative a large number of measures to revise the economy. Cotton gaining, rice hacking, and flour billing were established. The private sector was encouraged to invest a large sector industries. So, manufacturing sector share in real GDP growth rate 2003 to 2004 5.8%, in 2004 to 2005 13.1%, and 5 to 6 9.9%, in 6 to 7 4.1%, in 2007 to 2008 8.8%, and 8 to 9 1.4%, 2009 to 2010 -1.9%, and 2010 to 11 4.9%. That is our manufacturing sector share in real GDP growth rate. The reason is the so many reason is, now we discuss some of them. Monetary policy, financial disciplines, struggling domestic demand, stable rate, a global expansion, a strengthening of domestically, contribute to economic development policies, and so on many other reasons, which is the decline of our GDP growth rate in manufacturing sector. Hopefully, students, you can understand all the material, all the evidence, all the historical evidence which can share in this video. In the next session, we will discuss the industrial sector effects in Pakistan. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.